Hey there and welcome back to Truly Cooking. Today we'll be making popcorn 3 ways. I'll show you how to zhuzh up your popcorn game. We'll be making a Biltong, chili and Parmesan popcorn, a curried popcorn, and a caramels and cashews popcorn. So stick around until the end to see how you can transform the humble kettle corn into these awesome creations. First, we have to pop this corn. I wonder where they got that name from. Anyways, I know you guys know how to make popcorn. I just wanted to show you a nicer way that will make it more flavorful. Start off by heating up a tablespoon of vegetable oil on a medium-high heat, then add some butter to it. I'm using a nice pot with a thick bottom so the heat will be distributed evenly. Our goal is to make a brown butter that will give our corn a nuttier taste. Add the corn kernels and give it a nice stir to make sure all of the corn is mixed with the brown butter. Make sure the temperature is not very high. If your pot starts smoking, just move to the side for a couple of moments, then return to the heat. We don't want to burn our popcorn. Add the lid and let the popping show begin. If only we had some popcorn to eat while this corn is getting popped. I'll be here all week, thank you. Give your pot a nice shake from time to time to ensure a uniform popping of said corn. Then simply remove the newly formed popcorn into a large bowl. We need to divide these between 3 bowls as we will be making 3 types of popcorn. Okay, our first option on the menu is a Biltong, Parmesan and chili popcorn. For those of you that don't know what Biltong is, I'm here to tell you that it's a superior form of jerky. Sorry America. It can be from beef, kudu, springbok, eland, it can be made from fish and so on, you get the point. What a wonderful cuisine South Africa has. Simply give the Biltong a chop, add some salt to the popcorn, grate some of the cheese. I'm actually not using Parmesan, so I'm lying, because things are tough and it's very expensive. Any type of hard, mature cheese will actually do. Sprinkle some chopped parsley and mix well. Transfer the popcorn into a serving bowl, add some chili flakes and grate more cheese. Voila! Our first popcorn is done and it tastes delicious. Okay, cool. On to the second version of popcorn, which is also a savory one. We'll be making a curried popcorn. I'm using a curry powder made by one of Lauren's co-workers from Mount Nelson. Chef Sven is making these awesome sauces and curry powders and I got all creative with them. Chop up 1 red cayenne and 1 shallot. In a medium heat skillet, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. After the butter has melted, add our shallots and chili. Using a microplane, grate a medium-sized garlic clove and give everything a mix. Add 2 tablespoons of Chef Sven's curry powder to the party and cook it out. We are using a medium heat as to not burn the garlic and the powder as it becomes bitter when overcooked. It smells divine up in this place, I'm telling you. Whoever thought you can use curry for popcorn? Well, I did. Okay, after you are done being all proud and cocky about your newly formed sauce, take the second third of your previously made popcorn, add some salt to it and give it a nice toss. Pour your sauce over the popcorn and give it a mix in a large enough bowl. I'm telling you, this is my favorite flavor popcorn from now on. You can also add any type of herbs you prefer like chives, parsley and thyme as it goes well with the curry flavor. The flavors are so awesome and spicy, it pairs perfectly even as an appetizer or snack before a meal. Transfer to a serving bowl and be amazed of how awesome and delicious this popcorn tastes. It's divine. Alrighty, now on to our final version of popcorn, which is a sweet one. All you need is... oh, excuse me, how rude. Fine, I'll let Lauren do the sweet stuff, it's part of our agreement. You need to add 210 grams of sugar to a cold pot alongside with 100 milliliters of water. Turn on a low heat and wait for what it seems like an eternity. When making caramel, you shouldn't fuss with it and just let the sugar do its own thing. Add the butter at the very end when the caramel becomes brown and give it a stir. Remove from the heat and immediately pour all over our popcorn. Add some of the chopped cashews, sprinkles and flaky sea salt and mix well. This is an amazing combination of sweet and salty, sweet from the caramel and sprinkles and savory from the flaky sea salt. Transfer everything onto a serving bowl and add more sprinkles on top of our popcorn. And voila! This awesome final version of a truly delicious popcorn. Now, let's recap. We have a Biltong, mature cheese and chili one. We got a curried popcorn, that's also my favorite one, and a sweet caramel and cashews popcorn. That was all for today. Thank you very much for watching and we will see you next time. Stay safe out there.